Oh, sorry. Hello everyone. So for today I thought we could make some of these booklets, envelope booklets, which I think are very simple, but at the same time they work very well for sticking in to journals in a tuck or anything like that. So there we go. Or here we go on making them. So I'm going to show you how to make them like this, and we're going to decorate some of them, but this one's going to be the one that I use for our piece here. So that one is not big enough. I try to use what I have to create. So these types of journals, this is how I do it. You don't have to do it the same way I do, but I think it's a great way to make little mini journal type ideas within a journal to create a lot more writing space. So we line this up like so, and we fold it over. And then I just cut along this. It's a great way to use your like small envelopes. If you keep envelopes that maybe you got from Christmas or something else like that, this would work great for them envelopes. So there we go. We got our basic booklet here. And now I'll come up with some pages to stick in the booklet. Now you can use your like scrapbooking paper that you may have as scraps. I have a bunch of coffee dyed scrapbooking paper, for example, that I just want to use up. So we'll come up with a few pages of this scrapbooking paper. Grabbing just a bunch of different pages. And this is, again, a great way to use up what you have. If you think you have too much of one portion or something like that, you can shorten it easily by doing that. Again, this is just old scrapbooking paper I'm just using to create with. I coffee dyed it because they were just scraps. And again, I thought, just use up what you have. Why create more and more of stuff if you don't have a whole lot? So there we go. Used quite a few its and bits of pieces here and there. You stick it in the middle here. Figure out where your middle is. It's the same way you'd make a regular journal for the most part. I use baker's twine to bind this. You don't have to. Use what you have. Again, I don't mind that that's bending it. It ain't gonna matter. So just as long as it keeps it steady. We got that. So it's just like you would a regular journal, basically. Except this one, I'm not doing the 3 pouch one. I'm just going to do 2. 2 should be way more than enough for this. Now, some people may disagree. It needs to be 3, but if you want yours 3, you can make yours 3. No one's telling you you can't. One, 2, you can have it going to the outside like that, or do what I like to do, and I like to keep them on the inside. Don't know why. That's just my personal preference, is to do this outside. It don't have to be as perfect as you would regular junk journal, so I'm okay with it being a little loose, because again, this isn't your normal journal. I want whoever gets this to be able to pull up the pages if they want to, all that jazz. So if I wanted it to be tighter, I would have did the 3-hole stitch. But I wanted my pages to be a little looser, so whomever gets it can have a little bit of wiggle space. Not much, but a little. Alright, so now we're going to work on decorating these up. Now I have made tons of pieces here, so I just want to see if there's any that would look good. Like, I mean, something as simple as using this would be kind of actually cool. Oh, found another one. Again, I'm just digging through here, seeing if there's anything that would be kind of fun to stick in as a cover. Hence why I keep most of my toppers ready to go. I even use banners a part of this. I mean, you don't have to be very particular. Now I am grabbing some cardstock that I've been trying to dwindle down a little bit to be a part of this. Because again, I don't want to keep on keeping every little tiny thing I make. You want to make something out of them. Decorating pieces just, again, gives it an added piece. This part will add some coffee dyed paper too. For right now, let's focus on this. I'm just thinking, oh, that would cover almost the entire page. I think that would look better against black. Okay, let's keep on looking here. Ooh, that would be kind of cool as a little pocket. So that's what I'm going to do. See, you can even add even more pockets and stuff to this easily too. Sorry, just shaking my Fabri-Tac down a little so I can easily glue this on. again, that just, what an easy way to top off one of these booklets. We have that left, or one of them circle ones. I'm probably going to end up using the circle ones. So